Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So let's start to look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash got into horizontal consolidation, still rising R zone. Higher probability, we have a horizontal channel trade, both up and down. The higher probability one is the up, where we need a close above 1274.10. And then we'd be looking at the 1312 level, 1331, and the eventual target being 1350. If we get a close though below 1198, we'd be looking for 1159, 1140, and 1121. Let's check in on the daily chart though to see how we're looking. Expand the daily chart so people can see it. All right. So here's what we look like right now. Let me center this a bit too. We still could easily trigger that upside horizontal channel and be well within the rotations, the downward sloping rotation zone. So everything is good to go there. Nothing else really to comment on. So we'll switch over to Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold came down to this 106 level, pretty much dead on. Stop there. We don't have a dual tradable horizontal channel that we can do, so we're just going to do separate levels. On the upside, if we get a close above the 117.34 level, we'll be watching a return to this. A nice cluster, sort of 122.83 to 125. 122.83 is the horizontal channel from the top side breakout. 125.58 and 128.33 end also of the clear path. Rotation zone's pretty much gone flat. Now, if we do break down, we're going to be targeting the cluster 174 to 101.37 right in there, and then if that breaks down, 97, and those would be just be looking for potential buying opportunities. Let's check in on the daily chart of those also, see how this looks. All right, well, within the rotation zone easily, so we can easily hit those upside targets and still be within the declining rotation zone, still theoretically moving up here, then rotating back down for a bigger dip. This has been in consolidation. We're just going to have to see where the next impulse bar takes us. That's what's going to be very key on both of these so far that we've looked at. Switching over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin also came down just below our 8,010 level, actually the 37.5 retracement level, 79.21. Let's just update these in case we do get a sell-off. With this, if we do get a sell-off, you'd be targeting 76.90 as minor level, major level, and cluster with this 75.50. And that's also triggered a trendline trade to the upside, just hitting the end of the clear path, which came in about 89.33. Now pulling back. Watch for a pullback to the rotation zone and prior key support. See, this was resistance. It tried there, resistance, then broke through. Pulled back for support. So now we're going to be watching with the rising rotation zone of pull back to 85.64. If we do get through there, the next targets, big targets, are 92.43 and 94.12. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, still plenty of room to run up, hit those next target areas, but the declining top of the rotation zone is coming in right around just above that 94.12. I'd probably bump that down to about 9,400, especially with the declining rotation zone on a move up, and we have held support at that key 200 simple moving average. So that's what we have for you on the Bitcoin series. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.